The war aim of Biafra is purely to prevent ourselves being slaughtered, nothing more. We haven't got the sophisticated war aim of Nigeria to conquer, to overrun, to do something or the other. For us, merely to prevent. And if anybody is going to judge our success and failure in this war, it will have to depend on how much we have prevented the enemy from killing us. And the fact that we are here all indicates that we have been very successful.
Bosatt I nord, flyktet tilbake til sin hjemstat.
Shock. I think one can only say shock in this matter because the thing is so enormous, the crime is so enormous. It's a definite attempt at clearing people of Eastern origin from the face of the earth.